I see you're keen on understanding the nitty-gritty that goes into running a nonprofit, specifically the part where we talk about bylaws. Well, sit back and let me walk you through it. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics designed to help save you time and money. Firstly, when you think about bylaws, imagine them as the backbone of a nonprofit organization. They are like that trusted guidebook that clearly lays out the rules and regulations of the organization. It's what helps maintain order and stability, ensuring everything runs smoothly and according to plan. So, what exactly can you find in these bylaws? Generally, they cover topics like the organization's mission, the roles and duties of directors and officers, and guidelines for meetings and voting. Yeah, it's kind of like the rule book that governs how the team plays the game. Now, you must be wondering how common these bylaws are. Well, pretty common. To share a stat with you, there are over 1.5 million nonprofit organizations in the United States alone, and each one of them would have their set of bylaws to adhere to. The drafting of bylaws happens usually at the inception stage, during the formation of the nonprofit. It's this critical time when founders come together to pen down the philosophy and operational blueprint of the organization. It kind of sets the tone for the journey that lies ahead. It's interesting to note that bylaws aren't static. They are more of a living document. This means they can be revised as the organization evolves. A survey conducted in 2019 found that about 68% of nonprofits reviewed their bylaws every 4 to 5 years. It's like giving the rulebook a fresh coat of paint, making sure it aligns with the organization's current goals and strategies. Before we wrap up, let me give you a little tip if you are considering setting up a nonprofit. While crafting bylaws, it's always a good practice to seek legal advice to ensure that the document complies with both federal and state laws. This small step can really help in fostering a healthy and compliant organizational culture. So, next time you see a nonprofit doing wonders in the community, you know a part of their success can be attributed to their well-crafted bylaws, working silently yet effectively in the background, orchestrating a symphony of positive change. For help registering or maintaining legal compliance for your nonprofit, please visit legalregistration.com, or you're welcome to call our experts at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion on nonprofit bylaws? Does implementing them seem simple or complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to help your business grow and make consistent profits.